Hey guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcraft and Outdoors. We just lost power here. We are probably sitting just over 32 degrees here at the Humidex today. Last of the warm days here for us in Thunder Bay. Things are going to cool down. But we lost power, and I just want to show you guys here the difference with the power out, and then I'm going to do a video with the power on. But we have a store. We have compressors, we have LED lights, we have all kinds of stuff that generates noise. But I want you to see the signal here right now on 17 meters. When the power went out on both 17 and on 15 meters, I could copy New Zealand at a 5:3. When the power was on, I could not copy them at all because of the noise. So I will do another video. Once the power comes back on, I'm going to show you the difference. But you can see this now. Okay, there is zero noise here. And when the power comes back on, like I said, I will do another video and show you what it's like when the power comes on. So that's how noisy the power grid is, compressors, fridges, lights, you name it, on the bands, and how much it can mess you up. That's why going off grid, going portable into the bush makes all the difference in the world when it comes to signals and noise. So, you know, everyone says it's a noisy receiver. On my end, I always tell everyone it's not the receiver, it is the power. So anyway, I'll catch up with you guys once the power comes back on. All right guys, so after 2 hours the power finally come back on, and as you guys can see, this is the noise that I have when the power's on. So as I said, we have a store here. We have LED lights on all the coolers. We have coolers with compressors. We have all that other stuff. And that's the noise level that I have to contend with when the power is on. So it's not a noisy radio. It's not any of that. It's the power that I have here. We have an arena across the road, a hockey arena. And they have major compressors that also cause noise and stuff like that. So I have an extremely high noise level here in my location if I'm on the grid. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that and show you the noise that I have when the power's on here. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcraft Outdoors, 7-3, guys. And as I always say, stay safe.